Warkia is now living on the street. Her employer dropped her outside the Ethiopian consulate in Beirut, where dozens of other women have been sleeping for days. These migrant workers say they are being denied their rights, and they're relying on the kindness of strangers to survive.
They're throwing them out as if they're garbage. Some of them haven't been given their salaries in years. The employers are using the dollar crisis as an excuse to get rid of them, and the Ethiopian embassy is absent.
They want to go home, but they don't have the money. The airport is closed due to coronavirus lockdown measures, making flights expensive and limited. Some call these women victims of Lebanon's collapsing economy. Human rights groups disagree. They have long criticized the system under which these workers are employed, comparing it to modern-day slavery.
Their employers come here, throw them on the streets in broad daylight. It's as simple as that. Nobody stops you. The scandal is there way before everything. And it's not just with Ethiopians.
At least 250,000 migrant workers are in Lebanon. Many others are undocumented. Those who are still getting salaries have lost most of the value of their earnings, as the local currency continues to sharply decline.
People's sense of desperation is growing. We have tried to contact the Ethiopian embassy for comment, but there has been no response. These women say they are trapped between a government that's abandoned them and a country that offers no protection.
The International Labour Organization believes the Lebanese government should hold employers accountable to avoid a bigger crisis. It blames the sponsorship system, which gives employers control over workers' lives.
Victims of the kafala sponsorship system have been living in a crisis mode for a very long time. And today this is an opportunity to work on dismantling kafala because all the structural problems that we see are a result of problems in the recruitment process and problem in defining the employment relationship.
Thousands are applying for repatriation at their respective embassies.
With coronavirus and the dollar crisis, we no longer have jobs and can no longer survive or support our families. We have to go back home.
For now, they are stuck, some of them without jobs, others unable to ask for better pay or conditions, and many without access to justice to demand their unpaid salaries. Zana Khuder, Al Jazeera, Beirut.